Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well with good health and very happiness, and you have lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video so stylish and very beautiful ideas of low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women. Many much more beautiful and trendy ideas of low maintenance hairstyling with beautiful haircut and very attractive hair dye and so charming collection in short hair for girls and women you see in this video. After a long time I have brought the video to this cut for you. I hope you like it. Different ideas of haircut in low maintenance. Some ideas: pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, and mostly ideas in deep layered, and some ideas step, and beautiful collection of step with undercut, and different type of cut, and different type latest cut, new cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut, and so attractive charming ideas of hairstyling. Mostly ideas in low maintenance hairstyling, spiky hairstyle and messy hairstyle. But in today's my collection you see in this video in low maintenance hairstyle, fine hairstyle, and some ideas fine hairstyle, and too short and too small curls and wave on hairs in low maintenance hairstyling, and very attractive collection of hair dye, blonde hair dye, burgundy hair dye, light brown, dark brown, black color, ash color, grey color, and beautiful ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, and so cute ideas of ash color, and overall collection very beautiful in low maintenance hairstyling with beautiful hair dye for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. So try this, and if you tried, I hope and I think my personal opinion, your personality will be completely changed. You look gorgeous, you look adorable, and you look very pretty and so nice. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support or help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon in next video. Take care and bye bye.